Hello everyone, welcome to the Zobi Wear channel where you are taught various crafts, DIYs, and how to crochet. If you are interested in seeing more content like this, make sure to subscribe. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to do the double crochet. The double crochet is one of the most common and basic stitches of crochet. Of course, we're going to start with our chain, our foundation chain. And of course, we're counting our chains and we have 8 chains. The video will be linked above. So we're going to yarn over and go into the third chain from our hook. So yarn over and into the third chain from our hook. Through the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops on the hook. So once again, yarn over through the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops that are left on the hook. Once again, yarn over through the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops that are left on our hook. And we're approaching the last double crochet that we'll make, and I'll show you guys how to turn. So these are our double crochets that we've made so far. And now when we're turning to continue our work, we will chain 2. So chain 1, chain 2, and we're going to turn our work, and there we go, that's how we turn it. Now we're going to continue with our double crochets. Into the first chain, yarn over, through the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops that are on our hook, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops that were on our hook. And we'll continue to the end doing the same method that we have been doing from the beginning. And here we're going through the first chain that we made to begin our double crochets. So I'm showing you guys it here. For our last stitch, we're going to go into the second chain that we made for our first double crochet. And we're going to go right at the top of those 2 chains, which is the second chain. So we're going to yarn over through that chain that we made, and it's a little struggle. A lot of a struggle actually. And we made it through. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops that were on our hook. And there we have our double crochets. We have 2 rows here now, and that is how easy and simple it is to do our double crochets. Of course, we're going to count and make sure that we are having a straight set of double crochets, and 8 actually, because we begin with 8 chains. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out our other videos, follow us on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe.